Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. Today's unboxing and demo is the Porter Cable 20 volt max lithium isolating tool with 11-piece accessories in our Porter Cable shopping haul series. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box below for more information as well as affiliate links. Nice rubber grip, settings up to 6 speeds, finger press spring insert for a tool-free system, battery insert, on-off switch, and LED work light for working in dark spaces. So many options with this one tool. Cut, sand, scrape, and grind. All with the 20 volt max high performance cordless platform. Stay tuned for more great Porter Cable unboxings in this shopping haul series. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and